Did you know that you can print on 100% cotton now? Yes, 100% cotton. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how and what you need to know about this. Alright. What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy Sauce Balls back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. Yes, another dope one for you. Okay then, so listen, this is for all the people that has a t-shirt business, or if you are aspiring to make a business, this is a product that can probably help you out and prepare you to the next level. So you going up, all the way up, from here and all the way to infinity. This product is called Forever Subflex 202. Forever Subflex 202. Before this product, it was absolutely a no-no. You could not never sublimate onto a cotton fabric. No cotton prints for sublimation was out there until now. Now we have something out there for that, right? You know what I'm saying? So you can get more vibrant, vivacious colors all through your prints. So this is what it's about. So basically, I'm gonna show you the product. We're going to test it. We're going to see how it works. We're going to see is it a go or if it's a no. And I'm going to let you know on this show. You know? So, man, so I'll be the guinea pig for y'all so y'all can see me test it out in real time. And then y'all know, man, I would like to purchase some of that, and I'll let y'all know. Links will be in the description below to where to probably pick this product up. Right, from where I got it from, and you can do the same, right? So you can practice. So we're gonna go through all this. So basically, it's Forever Subflex 202. Like I said before, what you'll need for this product, you'll need the paper, which is right here. It looks like this. You'll be printing on the matted side. Then you need a vinyl cutter. So you'll need your vinyl cutter of your choice. Me myself, I use a Cricut Maker. You need a laptop or a computer. You actually need your sublimation machine. If you don't have a Sawgrass sublimation printer, then my one of choice, I like to tell y'all, is, so my printer of choice is the EcoTank 2760. That's one I like to use. I converted it over so it could be a sublimation printer, and you're gonna need your heat press for this project as well. You could use an arm, but I ain't never did it, so I'm gonna stick to what I know. Heat press. Okay, so that's what we're doing right now. So man, if you're liking this video so far, drop your boy a comment, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. But no further ado, since I ran through all that right now, I hope I'm not missing nothing. Oh, what else you'll probably need for this project is a measuring ruler for your shirt. If you have one, cool. If you don't, that's fine too. Just eyeball it, measure it up, do it how you do it. You know how to do it. You know how to do it. So you know how to do it. So let's get over here to the printer, the computer, and everything like that. And I'm gonna walk through these steps with you, man, and teach you, and we're gonna learn together. All right, let's get it. I just imported the image into Cricut Design Space, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm using my Exquisite Apparel logo. You know what I'm saying? Finna make a new shirt, like I said before. And if you want to purchase one, drop me a comment below, and man, we'll get that set up for you. You know what I'm saying? So you can be as exquisite as you want to be. Okay then, let's go. So right now we plug in. Right now we're gonna do make it. We're gonna get it plugged in. So right there, they got the image already sized and plugged in because I already did it before, so it remembered it. So for the next time, and that time is this time, So it already got it in there. But like I said before, you gotta remember, the image is already gonna be regular, but you want a mirror. So you wanna push the little mirror button, and it's gonna mirror the image, because when it prints out and how you're gonna place it down, then everything turn right side up. So that's how you gotta do that. So that's step one for that. And then after that, your next thing is to actually print your design out, which we did. We need to cut the outline for that. That's what we're gonna do next. Then the process after that is weeding. You can use a weeding tool, or sometimes I use my X-Acto blade because it gets right in there just like I like it. So, and I'll show you that. So, the image is done. Let me show you what it looked like. So this is what it looked like right here. See it? If you can see it, put it in front of my face, right? So it printed on the matte side, and the glossy side is this side. So we're gonna be placing this side towards the mat, towards the cutting mat right here. So this is what the image should look like on your cutting mat. It's still mirrored. It's placed on the cutting mat how it looks in my design space. Now we just want to get this image over to the Cricut Maker, and we want to get this cut out, and then we want to weed it. In the meantime, while I'm doing that, I'm going to turn on the heat press, and I'm going to get the heat press up to temp. So you want to get your heat press up to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. But on my heat press, I take mine up to about 360 to 362 degrees, because just the model I think I get a better application if I just go a little bit up, because the temperature is going to drop down a little bit, right? So that's what I'm going to do right now. Let me get over to the Cricut Maker and you can watch it cut. All right, let's go. So now I'm done with the weeding. This is what it looked like. This is what it looked like on the other side. So all we're about to do is right now is head over to the heat press, and we're gonna heat press the shirt. We're gonna just do the shirt, get the moisture out of the shirt, and we're gonna do that for 5 seconds just to get the moisture out. Then we're gonna apply this at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Like I told you before, I like to go about 360 on mine, and we're going to do that for 15 seconds. Then after that, we'll see what it looked like. We let it cool down. We start the whole process over. So I'm going to show you. Let's get over to the heat press, and I'm going to show you the other steps you got to do to make this. So as you can see right now, we got this. We got the t-shirt that we're going to be actually applying the image to. So what I always do is first, I have my lint brush, and I just want to get all the lint, anything that's on the shirt off. Then you just want to actually press it for 5 seconds. So that's what the shirt should look like. Now with your shirt ruler, you just want to actually place your shirt ruler, or if you can eyeball it, that'd be great, on where your image, where you want your image to be, and place it. So that's kind of low, so I would want to bring it up. So you want to bring, the rule of thumb is you want your image to line up about 3 inches down. So if I'm coming up about right there, I want my image to meet up about right here. And these rulers really help out a lot when you're trying to place an image and seeing where you actually want to place your image. So that's what I do. So when you're actually doing this part, you'll just want to move your rulers. So now if you have heat tape, you'll want to apply your heat tape to the garment so it doesn't move, and you can get a good press. So you know, if you're shifting it, it doesn't move on you, and you don't want a crooked design. So if you have heat tape, you can pick this up on eBay or Amazon, stuff like that. So heat tape. So now with this image, how you need to actually apply this, you need to get 10 sheets of plain copy paper, right? And you want to put it over the image. The reason you probably do that is because you get a better pressure when you actually add the paper. So just want to slide it in, and we're just going to do this for 15 seconds, right? So we do it for 15 seconds. So that's 10 seconds. Remove the copy sheets. Now that the press is done, we want to let this completely cool down, and then we're going to peel, and then we're going to apply the silicone paper over it and then I press again for 30 seconds. And that's when the image should come through. You can already see it coming through a little bit, but we're gonna let this completely cool down all the way. You can leave it on your heat press for a while, or you can move it to a cool surface to speed up the process. But once it cooled down, we'll be pressing it again. I'll be showing you the next step. So, okay, so the cold peel is done. This is where we at now. But I do want to expound on you and really just emphasize that the cold peel must be peel cold. Not warm, not lukewarm, not semi-warm, cold. It has to be cold, and it has to be peeled back. Peeled back. So to get the right coverage. And make sure your temperature is right when you're doing this. And I would say go up another 5 seconds when you're pressing it, you know, so you can get a good contact. But the most important part, like I said, is make sure your peel is cold. So now for the next step, you want to take the butcher paper or the contact paper, whatever you want to call it, and you want to place it here, and then you want to actually press for 30 seconds. So we're going to get that. We're going to press 30 seconds. I'm going to go 30. Let's take this up to 35 seconds. How about that? Because we are animals. Okay, so we got it, and let's go. So we're taking up to 35 seconds. I just want to get an extra 5 seconds because if you already know how sublimation ink works, it actually works with the more heat, the hotter it is, the better the vibrant the colors. That's how it's always been my good results with it. So I'm gonna apply it to this just to give it an extra 5 seconds and see how good it looks. So, hey, if you're liking all this content, make sure you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay? So this is almost done. And let's see how it looks now. Okay. Remove the paper. Oh man, that look damn good. Y'all can see that? That look really good. I love it. You know what I'm saying? So let's just get back over to my spot so I can talk to you about this and actually try this thing on, see how it looks. All right, so let's try this thing on. Let's see how it fits. Let's see how it looks on the body. Okay, let's go. So this is what it looked like. What y'all think? You know, I think it looked really amazing, making guns look good. Check out them guns, the gun show. But yeah, this is what it looked like. So in my opinion, it really feels great to the touch. You don't feel too scratchy. If you didn't actually hear the noise a little bit, make a little bit of noise, but that's okay though. But it's actually smooth and flush to the fabric. I like that. You know what I'm saying? It's not bulgy, it's not sticking out. It's very flat. You know what I'm saying? Just for that sound, it's very flat to the fabric. And this will wash and wear very well. I'm gonna show you this one right here. I got this one. I made this one a while ago, and this shirt has probably had about, so far, about 20 to 30 washes, easy. And the colors and the vibrantness of this is no cracking, is no peeling, it's nothing. And we like 20 30 washes in, so nothing. I see no signs of this one breaking down no time soon at all. You crumple it up and iron it back out, and it looks amazing every freaking time. Like the color of the shirt might fade before the image does, so guarantee that. So I just want to show y'all what it looked like, how you do it, how you apply it, the things you need to do, the temperature and the setting. So hopefully this helps you out with your t-shirt adventure. And with myself, I'm definitely going to give Forever Subflex 202 a thumbs up, and the sauce seal of approval. Okay? So now you got the sauce seal of approval. You can go ahead and purchase you some and get to making some wonderful, wonderful shirts and images or whatever you want to do with this product. Okay? But like I say, always about this time, never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy Sauce Balls. Until the next time, you know I'm out.